Hi everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Pretty much we are rained out. This is the lightest rain we've had. There's downpours everywhere and flash flooding. So I thought I would bring the containers up from the basement with Taylor. And all you do is slide going up the hill. You're soaking wet. The good thing is all the weeds pull out easily. So I think we're gonna call it quits for today. I was going to do a sweet potato vine one inside, but I have a meeting with a couple of my friends. One of my friends, Howard, he actually volunteers at the conservation department, so he cleans out a lot of the parks. He has sent tons of pictures of just flash flooding everywhere, so which is really hard on them. But so this is it. This is the lightest rain. I don't know if you could hear it. Also, right after this, there's a picture of potatoes that somebody sent in. Their potatoes are doing great. Then a quick video on my potatoes, which aren't doing so great because we have a cute little dog, which I'd rather put that up. I just need to put my fence up. Okay, this is it. Have a great day. Sabrina. Okay, this is a quick update. I wanted to go over a few things. One is the potato update. Somebody sent in pictures of their potatoes. They're doing containers for potatoes, which I may have to go there, but theirs looks amazing. You'll see the pictures. Then you'll see my pictures. Okay, we were worried about that stray dog missing for days. And, you know, the coyotes that we heard at night, that was horrible. It's alive, and it's back. That's good and bad. But I'm going to plant these potatoes. If something like this happens, I mean, there's a lot of roots going on, but I'm going to put it back into the ground and feed all my crops here, too. I did a border of vegetables going around here. Obviously, the dog likes anything that I plant, kind of. But anyway, the other thing is I wanted to show you the garden with the rain. We've had like a typhoon went through here again. And so it's too soon to plant. You could drown your plants. I mean, I don't know what's worse, freezing or drowning. But for these plants. But if you have plants that are sitting in water and it's going to be days, you need to pull them out and dry them off. So it's just better for it. I would just wait a few more days. Check your local forecast. You need a week of everything drying out and stuff. But this is a great time to move stuff around and also a time to plant all your containers. So that's why we're doing the summer kitchen plantings and cleanup. So, all right, quick update. Have a great day.